Hi there, it's Di with WTI, and I absolutely love how cozy and comfortable this Calbetty sweater is. It's made of viscose, nylon and BPT, and it just feels like a blanket, like a comfy blanket you put on you, but it still has beautiful structure about it. So I love how detailed it is in a cool way, like it gives that 60s vibe. And that's what I like about it the most. And you can style it in many different ways, and it's meant to be oversized sweater. I'm wearing the size L, and I would think the M would be still feeling about the same, just like a little bit smaller. But I like the feeling that it has more space and it has this cool Batwing feeling about it. And this material goes here as like a seam, so you can lift it up like that. You can tuck it into your pants if you feel like doing that style. Like however you feel like styling it. It can be also used as a tunic or like mini dress, but also just as it is cozy, comfortable sweater for the winter season. I would say this is not too thick for colder summer nights and autumn. It's a great sweater for work days, but also for just lounging or going someplace where you need something dressier. I like sweaters that can be used in many different places and are not just locked for one single use. It's all I want from a sweater, but that of course is just my point of view.